Yes, hello friends. This is Shikha Katyal. Welcome to my channel, My Learning Academy. Today I'm here to explain you the previous topic only. Last time I had taught you one day transitive verbs, right? But I had not explained that time intransitive verbs. So today I am here with that topic only, that is intransitive verbs. Okay, so here we go now. See the definition of intransitive verbs. So what is intransitive verb? An intransitive verb does not take an object. जो intransitive verb होता है उसमें object नहीं होता sentence में, right? The intransitive verb is without any object. It is a simple sentence with subject, helping verb and main verb, and it is not consistent with an object. Using an object immediately after an intransitive verb will create an incorrect sentence. Yeah, if there is an object in a sentence, and maybe someone said maybe it is said that it is intransitive verb, so that is incorrect. That is not intransitive verb. In means intransitive means that is in is added with transitive, that means this in is added with with transitive, that means no object with that verbs with that sentence. So however there may be other information after the verb. कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐड होती है सेंटेंस में वर्ब के बाद, सच एज वन और मोर प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज और एन एडवर्ब. So you should not assume that an object. Okay, so because there can be adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase after the verb in a sentence, but that doesn't mean that is an object. Okay, object and adverbial phrase and preposition phrase, that is another thing. Okay, so this is it clear to you that an intransitive verb is without any object. Okay, see the example for this. What is the correct sentence of intransitive verb? The student arrived at the residency in Houston. So this is correct. The students, जो students है वो arrive हुए at the residency in Houston. Houston में जो residency है, अब ये in is there. In is a preposition. I told you there can be a prepositional phrase after the verb. The arrived is a verb here, action verb here. Okay, so at is prepositional here and in is preposition here. So this whole words is called prepositional phrase. This is not an object. And what will be the incorrect sentence if I will say the students arrived Houston? So that will be incorrect because they have not informed where is the Houston. Okay, the second sentence is incorrect. Why? Because this verb cannot take an object. क्योंकि verb में object तो होगा नहीं, intransitive में object हम add नहीं कर सकते. If we will add only Houston, that will become an object in this. So this is incorrect because we cannot add any object with intransitive verb. So if we will add like this, at the residency in Houston, अगर हम इस तरह से करते हैं, so that will be called prepositional phrase. So it is correct. Okay, see the next, some more examples of it. Some other examples of intransitive verbs like detroited, vote, sit, increase, laugh, originate, fluctuate and trend. These are we can use in intransitive verb. Okay, these are the verbs. The patient's health deteriorated quickly. How they have used deteriorate? The patient's health deteriorated quickly. जल्दी से रिकवरी हुई. Okay. So this is adverb. Quickly is adverb, not an object. This is adverb only, right? Ahmad voted in the local election. Ahmad ने वोट दिया कहाँ पे? लोकल इलेक्शन में. In is a preposition here, so this is called prepositional phrase only, right? May I sit here? So here is also adverb place, so this is also called adverbial phrase, not the object. Okay. Attendance increased at the weekly study sessions as finals drew near. Suzanne laughed. Suzanne हंसा. तो इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है. नो एडवर्बियल फ्रेज, नो प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज एंड नो ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. नोट. अब क्या इसमें नोट करना है? क्या आपको रिमाइंड करना है इसमें? एन इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब कैन टेक मोर देन वन प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज और एडवर्ब. इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब में प्रीपोजिशनल फ्रेज कितने भी हो सकते हैं और एडवर्ब फ्रेज भी कितने भी हो सकते हैं, बट नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस ओनली विल बी कॉल्ड prepositional phrase and adverbial phrase only, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now see what they are saying next. Verbs that are both transitive and intransitive. So you have studied verbs, some verbs. These are some verbs which can be in intransitive verbs and previously in transitive verbs. Some verbs were there. So now you will study the some verbs that can be in both situation, in transitive situation and in intransitive situation both. Some verbs can be both transitive and intransitive depending on the situation. So it depends on situation कि कौन सी वर्ब हम यूज़ करते हैं जो ट्रांसिटिव में भी यूज़ हो जाए और इंट्रांसिटिव में भी यूज़ हो जाए. इन सम इंटेंसेस कुछ प्लेस में सच अ वर्ब में रिक्वायर, उस वो वर्ब में क्या रिक्वायर होता है? एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसा रिक्वायर होता है. वाइल इन अदर वर्ब्स, इन अदर्स इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एन ऑब्जेक्ट. कुछ सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है बट कुछ सेंटेंस में नहीं होती है. सो see the examples of both the verbs that can be used in both transitive and intransitive verbs, like continue. Okay, first verb is there, they have given continue. How we can use continue in both transitive and intransitive? See, we will continue the meeting after the break. So here continue is worked as transitive verb here. Helping verb, then main verb continue, then after this the object are given, the meeting after the break. This whole part is object here. Okay, the meeting is object here. Next, the meeting continued. This is intransitive verb, the where we cannot use the object. Okay, so how continue worked here? In intransitive, the meeting continue रही after the break के बाद भी meeting continue रही. So the sense is changed here, right? Now next is play. 3 of the students, तीनों स्टूडेंट्स जो थे, प्ले द गिटार उन्होंने प्ले किया. गिटार इज वर्किंग एज ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. ओके, एंड प्ले is a transitive, working as transitive verb here. Now how play is working? And in intransitive sentence, the student will play outside today. Here the student, जो स्टूडेंट है वो कहाँ खेलेंगे? आउटसाइड टुडे. अब यहाँ पे जो आउटसाइड टुडे इज नॉट ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, इट इज टुडे आउटसाइड टुडे मीन्स एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. Okay, outside today, adverb place to outside, and today adverb time. So this is adverbial phrase here. So how play is working here in transitive and intransitive verb, you can see. Okay, now written as it is written here. And grow. Javi returned the book in to the library. So the book is ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब हियर. द स्टूडेंट्स रिटर्न, स्टूडेंट रिटर्न हुए टू स्कूल. यहाँ पे टू स्कूल आफ्टर द, ये प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज है. टू इज गिवन एंड आफ्टर, सो दिस इज प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज. नाउ ग्रो. आई ग्रो zucchini इन माई गार्डन. zucchini गार्डन में ग्रो किया, तो ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट zucchini इज ऑब्जेक्ट हेयर. माई डॉटर इज ग्रोइंग क्विकली. सो माई, यहाँ पे ग्रो कैसे वर्क किया, ग्रोइंग क्विकली. सो हेयर क्विकली इज एडवर्ब हेयर, इट इज वर्किंग एज इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब हेयर. ओके, वेदर वर्ब इज ट्रांसिटिव और इंट्रांसिटिव. वर्ब चाहे ट्रांसिटिव हो या इंट्रांसिटिव, मे डिपेंड ऑन वेदर द वर्ब. ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है कि वर्ब ट्रांसिटिव है या इंट्रांसिटिव. ये डिपेंड करता है द वर्ब हैज़ मल्टीपल मीनिंग्स, कि वर्ब के कितने मीनिंग निकल सकते हैं. इन वर्ब्स के 2-3 मीनिंग्स निकल सकते हैं, तो हम इन्हें ट्रांसिटिव में भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, इंट्रांसिटिव में भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. बट व्हाट आई शोड यू इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड, some verbs were there that cannot be used like Detroit, vote, sit. They cannot be used in multiple meaning. Okay, so it is only intransitive verbs. Okay, these are only intransitive verbs. I hope you have understood this intransitive verb topic. And today transitive and intransitive verbs are finished. This topic is finished here. And if you required, I will upload the exercise video also. So if you have any doubt, please clear it to me. Please raise your query, and I will upload the next video according to your demand. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.